A controversial court battle surrounding 1 October could end up in mediation. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy joining us now with more.
Denise, what mediation could mean is a settlement. MGM Resorts International has been heavily criticized with how the company has handled lawsuits it is facing in connection with 1 October. And before these latest developments, the CEO tried to explain the company's position with the I-Team. Thousands of victims, survivors, and families are suing MGM. Plaintiffs allege MGM, which runs Mandalay Bay, is partially liable for the tragedy. MGM then filed a lawsuit in return to seek relief from liability, and the company received backlash. The I-Team's George Knapp exclusively interviewed CEO Jim Murren in September. Here's what he had to say.
We believe that we can resolve these cases perhaps years earlier than the current path of having multiple cases in multiple states, deposing witnesses time and time again, reliving the horror for everyone involved.
MGM sent a statement to 8 News Now today in response to possible mediation. It reads in part, after several weeks of discussions, MGM and the plaintiffs' attorneys have agreed to stay the currently pending litigation in order to enter into mediation in an attempt to resolve claims related to October 1. The agreement requests that the courts suspend all pending motions. While we continue to believe ultimately courts would find in MGM's favor, we hope that entering into mediation will allow the parties to work together toward a fair and timely resolution. Years of protracted litigation is in no one's best interest. Again, no decision from the court just yet, but mediation is a possibility. Brian.
Vanessa, thank you.